A quick note about the KTM 990-950 air filter system and the filter skin that we sell for it. This is how the filter skin is supposed to be set up and installed on the bike. The way you should be installing it is that the filter skin sits right on the edge of the filter, right above the plate, not under the plate. Some people just put it right under the plate, and what it does is that it sticks the filter skin to the filter and doesn't let it vibrate with the engine vibration. So the idea is that we made these filter skins specifically, like intentionally, larger, so it would shake with your engine vibration and shakes off the dust. So same thing in the front. Once you install it on the front, if you have the updated base filter that we sell, you can it's easier. You just put it right over the base plate, and it will not have a way of going down. After installing it, just put a glove on and check all the way around. Make sure that the filter skin is not going under the plate. Once you install correctly, it should stay where it is. And one more thing that this filter skin, one more question that we have is that, should I oil the filter skin or not? No, you should not oil it. It does pick up some oil from the filter anyway, but regardless, you should not oil it because it would just plug in the holes. Doesn't let it do what it's supposed to do. These filter skins also protect your engine from water to some degree. It's hydrophobic. So if I just pour a glass of water over it, you see, the water goes, all the water just goes down. See, this is what I mean by hydrophobic. Some of the water may go through, but most of it, it will just repel right off. And this is handy for water crossings, but if you submerge this filter, it will take water. This dam that we have in the front, it also helps greatly for taking water, and also it reflects the heat from the radiator, so allows the filter to ingest the cooler air from over here as opposed to hotter air getting blown right into the motor. Anyway, lastly, have a look at this. The way I have installed it, it goes a long way.